Feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks and struggling to keep your projects organized? Well, get ready to transform your chaos into calm as we unlock the secrets to using Trello effectively. Boosting your workflow and skyrocketing your productivity. First things first, let's talk board organization. Think of your Trello board as the central hub for your project. Start by creating lists that represent the different stages of your workflow, like to do, doing, and done. Now, let's populate those lists with cards. Each card represents a specific task, and you can add detailed descriptions, due dates, attachments, and even assign team members. A major key to effective Trello is workflow optimization. Easily move cards between lists as you progress, giving you a visual representation of your project's status. Next, we'll dive into team collaboration, a crucial element for any team project. Assign cards to team members, so everyone knows their responsibilities, and use comments to communicate and share updates. Collaboration is so much easier on Trello. Now let's see how to use PowerUps. PowerUps are integrations that enhance your Trello experience. From calendar views to integrations with Slack and Google Drive, PowerUps can supercharge your productivity. And that's it. Implement these strategies to organize your boards, optimize your workflow, foster team collaboration, and leverage the power of PowerUps, and you'll be well on your way to mastering Trello and achieving peak productivity. Subscribe for more productivity hacks, and let us know in the comments how you use Trello.